So make the pie crust pretty thin. Everybody's amazed at how thin the pie crust is. It's very thin. So your goal is just to make a circle, and you can work it out. You can move it easily. And that looks like it's... So if you're wondering if you're done, you can put your pan upside down on top and say, do I have it rolled out enough? So when you think you're done, measure it. Does it cover it up, or do you have a circle that's not quite there?
Need a little bit more.
You saw it too, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
That's what she's gonna... Yeah, that'll look like a little... Yep. So see, it just keeps rolling. Okay. There you go. Great. You're going to gently take off the top piece. Perfect. Now, leave your hand there to rest. Yep. Flip that over. Have a real good hold on it now. Are you going to be able to hold that pie plate well?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you're going to hold it against your hand. Now put your hand on top of this pie plate. Yeah, and gently flip it over. Perfect. You got it. Look at that.
Okay.
So the first video, it did fall apart. She did have her hand enough against the pie plate, which was fine. You just take it off the plastic, roll it into a ball of dough, and you just try it again. So we're going to take the excess off the corners. If you have a liquid pie that you're going to mix up and put in it like pumpkin pie, you want a high edge. So we would make a lot of snake rolls and put it all along the edge for a high edge. If you make your edge too high, it burns. So here, we're going to show you what it looks like when we're done. We're going to turn off the video right now and we'll come back.